Hi, I'm Paul from Studio One Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Slate Trigger. Now, if you record live drums and sometimes you find that your drums aren't quite hitting it, what you can do is to use drum replacement. And Slate Trigger makes it really easy for you to do this. So what I've got here is a snare top and a snare bottom. Let's have a quick listen to them. We could spend quite a long time working on that drum sound to make that snare really pop through. But let's just load in Trigger into my inserts, just to save the time. Now I'm going to go to my browser first of all, and I'm going to choose the snare that I want to replace it with. So let's go to Blackbird Snares. Blackbird Snares is a preset pack that you can buy on the Slate website, where they went into Blackbird Studios in Nashville and they recorded a load of different drums. And I'm going to choose this one here, which is A Snare Joyful Noise Head. As you can see, it's loaded up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different samples into all these banks. Now, the next thing we need to do is to go to the triggering side of the plugin. Now, this is where the plugin's going to be listening to what's being played and it's going to be replacing that sound. Let's have a quick listen so far. And let's bypass it so we can hear the original snare again. And bring it in. So instantly you can hear how much fatter that snare is. It's been recorded really, really nicely. But if I move the plugin up a little bit, you can still see that I've left my snare bottom in there. So not only are we using a triggered snare, I'm also using the bottom mic of the snare that was originally recorded. So first of all, let's bring the volume up of the sample so it triggers a little bit better. And let's turn the sensitivity up just a little bit. So this re-trigger control here will stop any re-triggering of extra hits. Let's turn it up a bit. And let's bring the detail back. And let's bypass it. And bring it in. And let's hear that in the track. So for me, that has made the snare sound so much better. I'm Paul from Studio One Expert. I hope you guys got something out of that, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.